So this is round 5 of Maple's epic battle with the gardener snake that's in my backyard. The gardener snake's pretty small. I've seen it a couple weeks ago, and then last week into this week there's been 5 epic battles, today being the second time that she's gotten into this. This is just kind of funny, I think. I mean, I was the worried dog parent for a second and Googled how bad it is, but honestly, they said it's worse that the bite would get an infection. And truthfully, I don't think this gardener snake's got a chance. It's pretty small, and clearly, I don't think Maple wants to kill it, although earlier this morning she was just howling to the moon, letting everybody know that she had found it and that they should come help. Oh, here we go. Anyway, the reason I say this is just that it kind of got me thinking about stupid stuff, and this is just a little bit of a riff, and I'm not saying that everybody has to agree with me, but I kind of I like the way in which she embraces this battle. I mean, she's clearly having fun with all this, and it kind of got me thinking about all this quarantine stuff for businesses and stuff, my own business included. And it's kind of like, you know, we all got into this knowing things would be crazy and there would always be snakes in the grass and things, and in a way some of the things we've learned to embrace and have fun with, like for instance for me being mostly a copywriter and consultant work sometimes, you know, just kind of dealing with clients and people that don't want to pay you and all the different stuff. I've kind of actually enjoyed a little bit of the struggle, a little bit of the battle back and forth, and clearly that's exactly what Maple is doing right here. I'm not saying that this isn't the way more giant snake than this little guy that she is battling currently, but I will say that, you know, at the same time, the more you could probably embrace the fight, the better you'll be at it, just because, you know, we all kind of have a little bit of that inside us that once we bravely face something, we can achieve it a lot differently. Whether it's this little snake or something a lot bigger. So anyway, just food for thought. Good luck and watch where you step.